engagement, cornerstone of our Power Platform. What we'll be covering today are some of the key items that have come out and that we've ran across or encountered through some of our project work. First off, going to start with a tie-in to some of the team's information that is coming out in rapid fire from Microsoft. And this is where in the event management in marketing, where you can host either an online or a hybrid event, meaning it's an on-site and an online, you have the ability to select Teams as your webinar configuration. And now in this month, coming to preview, is the ability to run a Teams live event from the Dynamics marketing event. So this is where you can set up the configuration of your Teams tenant, allow it to connect and work with marketing, and then based on the schedule and the agenda and event registrations, that ties into the rest of marketing, but you will be able to allow that live event stream to be managed and tied in directly. So that means for an event, you can see everybody that not only registers, but now joins, participates, and is a part of that live event audience as the event wraps up. So very powerful, very cool. We are just waiting, like the SharePoint thing, for us to be able to get that in and part of the Dynamics marketing.